My thesis is titled Infrastructure for Artistic Practices. In my research, I argue that the proposal for redevelopment project of informal settlement have always been viewed through the lens of providing basic amenities and service infrastructure. But the vibrancy of mixed-use informal neighborhood, their artistic production and sociocultural practices have rarely been thought of. Thus, the design dissertation asks what kind of inhabitation or infrastructure can sustain the dense artistic experience in an informal settlement. The site is an informal settlement located in an industrial neighborhood in Thane district. I have myself lived in this area since my childhood. For the intervention, I look at the existing public spaces within the settlement like the gullies, naka, node, street, bridges, footpath, etc. The idea was to create plugins or support infrastructure that respond to the existing practices. While developing the project, I asked myself what infrastructure emerged from the embedded social cultural practices within the neighborhood, where I found that the mandap is a unique structure which is temporary in nature, built by the community through mandala, local organization, and which afford the artistic practices and other cultural events for the specific period of time. The thesis extends the idea of bamboo mandap along with its vibrant event space and the participatory construction method that demonstrate the flexible adaptive system for various conditions in informal settlement. It proposed a number of innovative strategies for regenerating the existing socio-culture practices through a catalog of urban tools. Some of these involve reactivating the pedestrian network, creating a working pods for daily wage workers, plugging for artistic practices, extension to the home everyday activities, children's play area, pavilion to celebrate the festivals and community events, and building the workshop to experiment with the bamboo. The thesis aimed to strengthen the cultural infrastructure in informal settlement and to facilitate the participatory construction method. This is a systemic process that could be applicable to the other area of similar urban complexity. Thank you.